everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to insert an image in cell within Google Sheet with formula. When you insert the image in Google Sheet by applying the insert image feature, actually the inserted image is floating at the sheet but not inside a cell. In Google Sheet, the image function can help you to quickly insert an URL image into a cell, and the size of image will be based on the cell size. The following formula can help you to insert an image inside a specific cell to fit the cell size. Type image, press tab, and paste your URL inside double quotation, comma for the mode, type 1, close the bracket and press enter, and the image is inserted. And if you need to stretch the image to fit all edges of the cell, please apply the following formula. Type image, press tab, paste your URL inside double quotation, type comma for the mode, type 2, close the bracket, press enter. As you can see, the image is inserted. And if you want to insert an image with a specific size, please apply the following formula. Paste the URL inside double quotation, comma for the mode, type 4, comma for the height, I will type 120, comma, and for the weight I will type 120 as well. Close the bracket, press enter. And if you want to insert an image with its original size and not changing as the cell changes, please just type the following formula. Type image, press tab, and paste your URL inside double quotation, comma for the mode, type 3, close the bracket, press enter, and you need to resize the cell to fit the image. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.